Divyanshi ma'am, you too have the doubt?
No, I just started the recording.
Okay, fine. You have raised your hand. I thought you are also having some issues regarding that. Okay, Hemant
अच्छा वो
sir.
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट
What?
गलती से हो गया होगा। आई एम सो सॉरी।
हाँ, अरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Akansha ma'am, Hemant sir. Any other? Okay, I guess
Sir, I
Mansa
had my
ma'am.
internals done today. I was just brushing up the topics 1 hour ago, so I couldn't upload the CSV file to my Jupyter notebook.
No, I'm asking you regarding uploading a CSV file in your Jupyter notebook in Colab. I'm not asking that you have finished the assignment or not.
Okay, sir.
I'm just asking, are you able to do that? Like
No,
uploading
sir,
your.
I couldn't do that.
Okay, fine. Only three has doubt. So remaining, yes, seven people have not completed the task. Like Pragya ma'am, Payal ma'am. Okay, Mansa ma'am has just told me that thing. Hemant sir and Aniket Mishram sir has also not done that. Gunashekhar sir has also not done that. Okay, fine. I'll just quickly tell you that how you have to then, and we'll start with that portfolio one.
ओके
Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Simply, now is that collab file is visible?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Simply,
यस
okay,
सर
yeah. Simply, you have to go there. This is something regarding the files function. It is first going to connect with a runtime and all those things. Just wait until it completes its process. Fine. As soon as it is it will connect with you. Here you will get a green dot. That means it is now connected with the runtime and all. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this. That is something I upload to session storage. As soon as you click here, is something another box is showing to you, like open and all.
Yes, sir.
It is visible now. So that simply whatever you want to take, like I has archive 6 I guess. No, it is not there in archive 5. Yeah, simply you have to go to the file where you have to where you have stored that thing. Simply click on this and just open it. Then just click on OK. Once it will complete the load here, you will get here this imd movies data.csv, and now click on this three dot. Then just copy the path and paste in this function like df equal to read csv. In this, just place it. Fine. And then just run it. It is going to run out. Fine. This is a simple method of
Oh,
uploading a
okay, sir.
file. Fine. And like if you want to run it on any Jupyter notebooks and all na, simply what you have to do, that whatever your csv file would be, like your Jupyter notebook and your file should be in the same directory, so that it will be easy for you. Fine. Like if you are if you have kept your Jupyter notebook in D drive, then simply put your CSV files in D drive only. Fine. Now, if
Yes, sir.
anyone has doubts, okay, fine. So Hemant sir, your doubt is clear, I guess.
Yes, sir,
Hemant
I got
sir,
it.
then Akansha ma'am, Payal ma'am.
यस यस बट उसका नेम डिफरेंट आ रहा था, वो नहीं समझ आया मेरे को कैसे।
अच्छा, एक बार
मेरा
आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए, एक बार मैं बता देता हूँ अभी.
कोलैब खोलूं?
हाँ, कोलैब खोल दीजिए, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ क्या करना
एक मिनट।
है. स्क्रीन शेयर कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है ना फिर.
स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
हाँ.
यहाँ पे ना एक मिनट कनेक्ट हो रहा है। दोबारा करना पड़ेगा।
कुछ नहीं ना, सिर्फ उसको रन मत कीजिए। हाँ, जैसे आप वापस, हाँ दोबारा ही करना पड़ेगा। कोलैब में ऐसा ही होता है, वो सिर्फ सेशन के लिए ही रहेगा। रन
अच्छा
टाइम पे
अच्छा,
आपको बार
तो
बार करता
जैसे
रहना
ये
पड़ेगा।
फाइल है ना, यहाँ पे तो इस नेम से शो हो रही है, जैसे abc.csv।
आप एक बार, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ना, आप जहाँ पर पहले एरो जो दिख रहा है ना, वहां पर क्लिक कीजिए एक बार।
हम्म।
हाँ, क्लिक करो, ओपन हो रहा है अभी, कुछ नया फाइल ओपन हुआ।
नहीं, ये हुआ ना ओपन, फिर डाउनलोड हुआ। अच्छा, दोबारा करना है शुरू?
हाँ, मैं दोबारा करने की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं।
अच्छा, रिफ्रेश करूँ?
रिफ्रेश नहीं मैम, रिफ्रेश नहीं। आपने अभी जो किया है ना, अभी आपने एरो पर क्लिक किया ना, वहीं पर वापस क्लिक कीजिए, तो एक 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 दूसरा बॉक्स खुलना चाहिए ना अभी आपका।
ये खुल तो आपको दिख नहीं रहा?
मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है।
अच्छा, वो मैंने टैब का करा है, होल स्क्रीन नहीं करा ना, क्योंकि वो
हाँ
खुल रहा है
हाँ
टैब, मेरे को फाइल्स दिख रही हैं, बट जब मैं उसको
हाँ
इंपोर्ट कर रही हूँ ना कोलैब में,
हाँ, तो इंपोर्ट कीजिए,
देखो।
abc.csv जो है उसको आप इंपोर्ट कीजिए।
हाँ, कर दिया। ये देखो,
ये जो आ
डिफरेंट
रहा है
नेम।
ना, हाँ तो ये ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है, डॉट एक्सएल एक्स क्यों आ रहा है आपके?
पता नहीं, और कभी कभी CSV आ रहा है सिर्फ, मतलब डबल, दो बार आ रहा है, CSV.csv.csv।
ये
एक्सेल एस
मतलब
भी
जो,
एक्सेल शीट है ना?
बट सिर्फ सीएसवी ही एक्सटेंशन आना चाहिए ना, मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ आपको, ये एक्सेल ऐसे।
हाँ।
एक बार मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, आप फुल स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए एक बार, सिर्फ टैब नहीं, फुल स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिए एक बार।
ठीक है, एक मिनट।
हम्म,
देखो ये,
हाँ, अब कीजिए, हाँ ओपन।
देख, अभी भी एक्सेल एक्स आ रहा है।
मुझे बट आपकी वो फाइल दिख ही नहीं रही है, मतलब आप जहां से आप इंपोर्ट करवा रहे हो ना, वो चीज दिख ही नहीं रही मुझे।
अब मैंने पूरी विंडो कर दी शेयर, तब भी नहीं आ रही, पता नहीं क्यों।
हम्म, आप अपना वो फोल्डर खोल दीजिए एक बार, abc.cs वाली फोल्डर खोलिएगा।
अब दिख रहा है?
नहीं,
पता नहीं, कुछ इशू हो रहा है, मैं दोबारा करती हूँ एक बार। अब दिख रहा है?
हाँ अब दिख रहा है, अब झुक जाइए, ये आपने, हाँ बस उसको कीजिए, उस सेकंड वाला जो है ना, टुडे 3 में जो सेकंड वाला है ना, हाँ उसको कीजिए।
आ रहा है बेबी, देखो ना।
मतलब फिर ऐसा क्यों इश्यू आ रही है, मतलब फिर?
पता
You
नहीं, मैं
can try renaming.
हाँ,
Try
रीनेम कर रहे हैं।
renaming.
नहीं
Rename.
नहीं, रीनेम से वो पीछे बैकएंड उसका डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, वो कर ही नहीं रिट्रीव रीनेम से।
सर सर मेरे ख्याल से डाउनलोड करने पे उस वक्त पे कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, इसीलिए ऐसा हो रहा है, मुझे लगता है
सब,
ऐसा।
हाँ आपने जब डाउनलोड किया था सर, तो भी आपको ऐसा ही आ रहा था?
नहीं सर, मेरा तो सर डायरेक्टली सीएसवी में ही डाउनलोड हुआ था सर, मैंने टेक्स्ट एडिटर से सर डाउनलोड किया क्लासरूम से।
मैं कर लेती हूँ, दोबारा
हाँ,
डाउनलोड कर लेती हूँ।
हाँ
नहीं एक मिनट, पहले तो जहाँ पर फोल्डर है ना, फोल्डर से सब डिलीट कर दीजिए, उस फोल्डर डाउनलोड्स में से सारे abc.css डिलीट कर दीजिए।
हाँ, नहीं तो ओवरलैप हो जाएगा वो।
ओके
हाँ,
ओके,
उसमें से सारे डिलीट कर दीजिए एक बार।
अभी करूँ?
हाँ कर दीजिए ना, एक बार ये सॉल्व हो जाए फिर, क्योंकि ये तो सीएसवी वाला हर बार, आप तो मशीन लर्निंग में आपको हर बार दिखता ही रहेगा ये।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो इशू रहेगा मुझे।
हाँ, ये तो छोटी छोटी फाइल्स थी, इसलिए ज्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं, बट आगे तो फिर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फाइल्स पे फिर नहीं हो पाएगा काम। ये आपने किसमें खोला था आपने, ये तीनों फाइल एक्सेल में नहीं खोला था क्या?
नहीं, वो मेरे पास लिब्रे ऑफिस है। अब यहाँ से डाउनलोड। ये डायरेक्ट डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा, तो मुझे गूगल शीट में जाके करना पड़ा था।
नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। पहले क्लोज कर दीजिए, क्लोज कर दीजिए इसको।
ठीक है।
ए बी
हाँ।
इसको एक बार अभी इसको पीछे जाइए, पीछे जाइए एक बार, पीछे, एकदम पीछे। हाँ, अब इसमें abc.csv पे राइट क्लिक कीजिए, ओपन लिंक इन न्यू टैब, ओपन कीजिए अब उसको।
क्या
हाँ,
हुआ?
अब लेटर लेटर कर दीजिए उसको, डाउनलोड।
डाउनलोड।
हाँ,
ओके,
अब
अब
जाइए,
हो जाए।
अब कोलैब में जाइए
अरे
अब आप।
मैंने ऐसे नहीं करा था ना।
नहीं नहीं, अभी इसको मत ओपन मत, अब सीधा हाँ
अच्छा
कोलैब
ठीक है।
जाइए।
अरे वो खुल गया गलती से।
I guess again it will be converted to Excel file.
हाँ, इट विल शायद वापस, हाँ कीजिए, ओपन कीजिए।
हाँ, अब हो गया।
हो गया। हाँ,
हाँ
रुक जाइए,
हाँ।
हो जाने दे। हाँ, अब उसमें राइट, उस पे 3 डॉट पे जाइए, कॉपी पाथ, उसको पूरा हटा दीजिए, पेस्ट, डन।
हो गया।
देख लीजिए, अब सभी को यही प्रोसीजर करना है, ठीक? एवरीवन हैज टू डू द सेम प्रोसीजर, फाइन।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
ओके ओके, मुझे थैंक यू मत बोलिए, आकांक्षा मैम को थैंक यू बोलिए, उन्होंने आपका डाउट सॉल्व
नहीं
कर
नहीं
दिया था।
नहीं, आपने हेल्प करी है।
ओके फाइन, सो विल स्टार्ट विद आकांक्षा। आपको रखना ही था, तो आप सीधा अपना पोर्टफोलियो पे दिखा देते मैम।
वही वाला है जो उस दिन शेयर करा था।
हाँ, बस अब आपको सिर्फ समझाना है कि आपने क्या क्या रखा है, क्या रखा है, एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स।
कोई नहीं, पहले वो सीक्वेंस वाइज चल लेंगे, कोई नहीं।
ठीक है, सीक्वेंस वाइज जाना है। सबसे पहले कोई नंबर है यहाँ पर, तो 221810401032। मेरे को बाकी का नाम नहीं दिख रहा है। मंच, क्या नाम है? व्हाट सर, आपका नाम प्लीज? आपका नाम सर, मुझे आपका नाम दिख नहीं रहा है। हाँ, दिखा, वंशी कृष्णा। सबसे पहला नाम है मंजा कुप्पम वंशी कृष्णा सर। यस सर।
Sir,
Have you completed the portfolio?
yes, sir.
Just share the screen and just tell me about your portfolio, that what you have done, what are the skills and all those things.
Yes. 1 minute.
Sir, please share your screen, Vamsi sir. ठीक है, नाम नहीं दिख रहा है शायद।
Sir, sir, it's still loading, sir.
Okay, now destination
You
will.
continue with someone else.
Okay, fine. Ayushi ma'am,
It will take two-
Ayushi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Just share the screen. Just tell me about your portfolio.
Sir, actually, I need 2 or 3 minutes because I log in with mobile.
Thick. Aishwarya, ma'am. Okay, I guess you are not able, you are not known about this thing. Aishwarya, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Do you know that you have to make some portfolio and all?
No.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
know, sir.
fine. So you have to just create a portfolio and just try to submit in the next 2 to 3 days.
सर ये फिर से
Okay, sir.
दिखाना है क्या?
Huh?
I had actually showed it 3-4 days ago. A website.
This is an actual submission, I guess, because I'm going to have an I have to have to see and finalize all those websites and all. And DMM has just told me that you have to take in training sessions, so I'm just
Sir,
taking
your
those
voice
things.
is breaking.
Okay, sir. Can I send you the file later in the night
No,
because
no,
the
I'll
electricity come.
I'm going to assign a task to in that classroom. You have to submit there as well. But it's something that you have to show me, right? Okay, fine. At least just show me. Just take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Either by
Sure,
you.
but I've connected through my phone because electricity has been gone. That's
Okay, fine. Then just try to submit it. Okay, fine. I'm answer. Yes, Akansha, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Anjali, ma'am, just left the meeting.
This is my portfolio. I'm Akansha Choi. I'm pursuing BTech from CSC, GGSIT University, currently in third year. And this is the skills, programming skills, Java, Python, C++, IT Construct, Data Structure, Algo, SQL, core subjected DBMS, OOP, CN, OSCS, and soft
Uh,
skills.
CN means networking.
Yes, yes, computer networking. And these are the certifications.
Okay.
Okay.
What is this C++ YouTube?
Yeah, I learned C++ from YouTube. Yeah, courses and by mistaken I have written in certification.
Fine.
Okay, thank you.
First, like other, like Amit sir.
Yes, yeah, 1 second.
Just quickly go through with your portfolio. Amit sir.
Yes, can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is my portfolio. You can go through the links through here, like my experience, education, everything here. And this is my link to LinkedIn and also through GitHub. And this is my bio here, personal profile, like my my summary and career objective here. This is the professional history. It's like currently working in PCS and everything. Yeah, this is my education history. You can go to the website of those as well. This is my college. I'm in BTech.
Where this college come?
Yeah, you can click on the icon here. Here.
What's your college name? But what's your college name?
Yeah, it's Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham.
Amrita, but where it is?
Yeah, here you can see right BTech Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham.
I am asking where it is, where this college is.
It is in Kerala, Amritapuri.
Okay.
And also this is my intermediate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is my 10th class.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are my skills here, skill set,
Mm-hmm.
and my projects here. If you can click here, you can go to the presentations and reports and everything here. This is the whole presentation.
Mm-hmm.
And the another one, solar vehicle, there is a presentation here as well. Reports, you can, this is the virtual presentation. And these are the reports.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the other project. This
Okay.
doesn't have any link here. So,
Not an issue.
yeah, this is the my research publication. You can go and check the paper here as well. In the IEEE here. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, okay. Great, great.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, Anshul Kanodia, sir.
Sir, may I credit?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Anshul, sir, carry on.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes,
Is it visible?
yes.
This is about me. That's, this is my LinkedIn profile link, Facebook and Instagram
Mm-hmm.
and education. So this is my college name and school name and current CGPA
Mm-hmm.
and internships. This is all the internship which I have done
Mm-hmm.
and about technical knowledge, C, C++ programming, Java language, Python, MATLAB programming, assembly language, Internet of Things.
Mm-hmm.
Skills, team management, leadership, teamwork, management, communication, flexibility, and more. More, I have uploaded my certificates.
You have done any research paper also?
Yes, sir.
On which? What was the
Uh,
topic?
Sentimental analysis for stress level indication with the help of comparative study of machine learning algorithms.
Okay, 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 great.
These are all my internship certificates and research certificate are also here.
Okay, okay,
Training
fine.
center. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. We'll move to Anshul. Anshul का हो गया है?
Yes, sir. Completed. Wait, sir. I share again.
Hmm.
sharing. So is it visual?
Yes. Huh? Vasna. फार टाइम తర్వాత పిలువు. Next, Bharat sir.
Am I audible to?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. This is my name and download CV.
Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, yeah, please continue.
Yeah, this is about me and my education. These are my skills and this is my achievement. And this is about my info and my address. Is anything write about me? You can write over here and send. It will forward to my email. Yeah, this is overall portfolio of mine.
Okay, fine. Yeah, like you have kept something like on download CV, it will download your resume. Bharat sir.
Yeah, yeah, it will download, but there's something a glitch in the file format. I'm working on it. It might be it can upload. I can upload, and if you click on that, my CV will be can you can open the CV.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट सीडी मैम दिव्यांश यहाँ आपका कोई है पोर्टफोलियो? नंदिनी मैम.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
please share the screen.
हाँ sir, yes.
भाई क्वेश्चन है
Sir,
अरुण भाई
daddy. One minute, sir. हेलो सर, विजिबल हो रहा है स्क्रीन?
यस, हो रहा है.
हाँ सर.
Okay, it's regarding
This is
Nandini.
about
Okay,
me.
fine.
Yes, sir, yes. This is about me, sir.
Then yes, move on.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sir,
please go on.
sir, हाँ सर, वो क्लिक नहीं.
ये education, undergraduation, board of intermediate education and board of secondary education. Then skills, technical skills, MS Word, MS Excel, C, C++, Java, Python, DBMS, personal skills, technical skills, teaching skills, listening, reading, writing, decision making, and problem solving. And then content.
Okay, fine.
हाँ सर.
Nandita now.
हाँ सर. Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
you
am I
are
audible?
audible. Yes, yes, yes. Can you just please
Yes, sir.
your background yes, please, your background voice is coming lot. So just
Just close that doors. Sound carbon dioxide. Is it? This is about me. And this is my resume and education. Undergraduate course BSc MSc pursuing GPA 9.0, Board of Intermediate Education, year of passing 2016 to 2018, course MSc GPA is 8.5, Board of Secondary Education, year of passing is 2016, and SSC GPA is 8.2. Skills are technical skills, Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, PowerPoint, Access, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, C language, C++, Java, Python, personal skills, critical thinking, good communication and interaction skills, leadership skills.
आराम से आ रहा है आपको. बाप रे, बहुत बहुत आवाज आ रही है आपके पीछे बैकग्राउंड में, बहुत आवाज आ रही है. ओके ओके, फाइन 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 फाइन.
Close it.
म्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को, म्यूट कीजिए.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yes, Anudeep sir.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yeah,
present.
please.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, please just hold for a minute.
Hello?
Yeah, please hold for a minute.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can continue now.
Yeah, okay. Well, this is my portfolio and I'm Anudeep. Well, about me, I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year from Geetam University, Hyderabad. And coming to my technical skills, Python, C are my skills, and basics of, I do know about basics of some HTML and CSS. And coming to my interests, playing cricket, chess, and watching TEDx are my personal interests. And coming to projects and internships, few of my projects are listed here. And coming to my certifications, well, data analysis with Python is from Coursera, and GUI development with Python from Udemy, and a basic ethical hacker course. Well, this is my portfolio. Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, okay, fine. Next, Bhargav sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
So 1 minute, sir. I'm logging in laptop.
Okay, fine. Just okay. Manikanda sir, if are you available? Yes, you told me that you will join. Okay, fine. Next, Nageshwari ma'am.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Mhm. And we'll have to move forward, or I should wait for you, Nageshwari ma'am. Next, Payal ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. This is my portfolio. Um, Coming to about me, then coming to my technical skills,
It AI ML Python skills. Mhm.
skills and hobbies,
Mhm.
certification.
Okay, 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 fine, great.
Any suggestion?
No, not at all. Okay, it's great. Fine. Like here we have given the links for resume and LinkedIn.
Yes, sir. Last time you suggest me कि remove your resume and put on only link.
So you have put that. So if I click on resume, it will open your resume.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Nageshwari ma'am, are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Just please share the screen. एंड या पायल मैम आपका टास्क भी रह गया था शायद आपको भी कुछ इश्यू हो रहे हो तो जल्दी अटेम्प्ट कर दीजिएगा ठीक पायल मैम
Sir, is it visible, sir?
यस यस फाइन मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट move on just go through skills actually not able to listen you next
Sir, can I present?
just a minute just as soon as she will complete we'll move on fine
Hello.
okay fine yes yes Nageshwari ma'am
These are my skills, sir.
yeah
And this is my contact numbers.
okay fine
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay yes Bhargav sir you can move on now
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. This is my portfolio, sir. When I click about, it will take to about.
Mm-hmm.
When I give projects, it will open projects.
First one is show me the projects. Na first projects only. Messaging web app, fitness web app, e-commerce platform, manga scraping web app, photography platform. What is this platform? Like it's a website?
Yes, means फोटोग्राफी का प्लेटफॉर्म जो डिजाइन बनाते हैं क्या सर?
Design?
हाँ, yeah, like it's an app.
Okay. So you have created 6 apps. Fine. Anyone is there in the Play Store? Hello. Pragya ma'am. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
आ रही है ना, तो ये क्या हो गया? प्रज्ञा मैम ने सलमान सर.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, I have told you that still I
Okay.
didn't get it.
Fine. Yes, next Sri Harshita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Sir, he's presenting Bhargav, so I'm unable to present mine.
Like you can just click on the presenting and then you will get an option. Okay, fine. He has already left. Now you can.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Hello.
Sir, just a minute.
Yes, Bhargav sir.
Sir, can you?
Yeah, it is visible. Fine.
So this is me and this is about me. Few lines about me.
Well, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in the field of computer science. I love to paint and sketch, which is more like my small scale business. Fine. Next one. Skills programming languages. Oops, yeah, let's see. Python, this. Yes.
This is my education. With my first CGPA and percentage.
Yes.
This is my certificate, and this is how you can approach me via mail and through my phone number.
This certificate like NPTEL Joy of Computing, I have already seen another also had done some certificate like this.
Yes, sir.
Like who was that? Like is your friend something like that?
Yes, sir. Actually, we wrote proctored. We wrote unproctored exam.
No, I just know about the NPTEL system, but I don't like it's a certification. It's a course you did.
Yes, sir.
What is? I'm asking like it's a course or it's just in certification purpose.
It's a course, and then you get a certificate.
Okay, it's like that. Okay, fine. So fine. Okay, fine. Next.
Okay,
Sir, shall I continue?
Yeah. Yes, Bhargav sir.
Sir, here it is. Sir, this
Yeah,
photograph is
Bhargav, just a minute. I'm just coming. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. టైం పడుతుంది 6:30 అలా వస్తాను అప్పుడు చేస్తాను కూరలు గిల్లేమన్నా ఇప్పుడు కుదరదు 6:30కి వస్తాను నీకేం కూర కావాలో చెప్తే చేస్తాను అప్పుడే హలో హలో
Sir.
Yes, Bhargav sir, please continue.
Sir, I have not created this, sir, but this is a sample one for dummy purpose. I have created this.
Fine. Okay, next.
These are social media apps.
Mm-hmm.
That's it, sir.
So let's be friends. Okay, we are going. Yeah, one small suggestion, like in place of this character, na, just keep your own photo. Fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine, Bhargav sir. Next, Lahari ma'am. Okay, fine. Basically, Tuhin sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Sir, is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So it's my portfolio actually. Here I have kept my photo, and there are so many buttons here and there. And about me में इतना सारा कुछ है. सर डाउनलोड CV इस बटन पे मैंने अपना रिज्यूम रखा है सर. सर उसके बाद एजुकेशन एंड स्किल्स पे ये सब है सर.
Projects.
हाँ सर. प्रोजेक्ट्स पे मैंने सर जितने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं अपॉन डीप लर्निंग एंड कंप्यूटर विजन सब प्रोजेक्ट्स किया पता है सर.
Contact.
सर कांटेक्ट में ये भी है और थोड़ा स्क्रॉल करके सर ये फेसबुक लिंक्डइन गिटहब एंड ट्विटर के लिंक भी यहाँ पर सर मैं जैसे लिंक्डइन दिखा सकता हूँ सर. With my LinkedIn profile, sir, and sir, that's my GitHub profile. And this my Twitter profile.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. These things will be fine.
And sir,
Just
yes, sir.
हाँ, ये आपने उसने बताया था. मेरा एक स्मॉल सजेशन था आपको, जैसे आपने डाउनलोड CV पर एक बार बता दीजिए, मैं आपको उसमें बताता हूँ. आपके रिज्यूम में जो है ना,
हाँ सर,
उसमें आपको सबसे पहले तो ना खोलिए एक बार बताता हूँ उसको.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, इसके अंदर है ना, सबसे पहले एक चीज तो ये कि आपको अपना फोटो रखना है.
ओके सर.
एंड यहाँ पर जो आपने बैच रखा हुआ है ना, इसको
हाँ,
हटा
सर.
दीजिएगा, ठीक है ना. ये
ओके सर.
इसको इसमें नहीं रखा जाता है. एंड
ओके
सेकंड,
सर.
ये सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स जो भी आप प्रोजेक्ट्स रखते हो ना, लाइक पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स हो, कोर्स मतलब जितने भी हो,
हाँ
उसमें
सर.
सिर्फ वही चीजें रखे कीजिए जिससे कि जॉब्स या इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए इजी हो, मतलब अवेलेबल हो, वैसे सभी रखना चाहिए. ठीक, आप सारे मत रखिएगा इसमें. ठीक.
ओके सर. ओके सर. ओके सर. श्योर सर.
ओके. एंड ये पर्सनल हटा देना, सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट्स रखना, पर्सनल मत रखिएगा यहाँ पर.
Yes सर, दैट इज सर पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट ये नहीं रखूंगा सर.
हाँ, पर्सनल सब हम पर्सनल के लिए प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं, इसलिए पर्सनल मत रखिएगा. ठीक.
ओके सर. फाइन सर. श्योर.
ओके, फाइन. थैंक यू सर. ओके, प्रीति मैम. ओके, फाइन. यू आल्सो हैव टू डू दैट. अनिकेत सर.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Sir, I have given my live server link in chat box, and I will present the screen now.
You have done this using GitHub, na?
Yeah, GitHub pages.
Oh, great.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. This is about section, and I add my photo, and these are my details, and these are my technical skills, and these are my achievements which I have added in this section. Coming to project section, I have done only one project, and I have put into cart using Bootstrap. And in certifications, these are the certifications, and you can view the certificate. You can download that. And coming to social media, I have added these 4 accounts, and you can access through it. And I've added icons from FontAwesome. And this is the resume. And by clicking this, you can download the resume. And I am working on it to get the resume as a fuller section. And coming to Connect Me, I have used this, and I have used this map using iframe. And this is the form section, and this is the contact info.
Okay, great work, sir. Great work.
Yeah, thank you.
Vamshi, sir. Vamshi Juluri, sir. Then we'll go with Vamshi Krishna with you. Now we'll have first Vamshi Juluri. Yeah. Please continue, sir. Vamshi, sir.
This is my main home page. It displays my name and what I'm doing.
You have shared the screen? Are you shared? I guess
Yes,
you have not shared the screen, I guess.
I shared a screen, but it is showing that your connection was so poor. I'm using a mobile hotspot.
Okay, fine. So it's not a big usage, not enough. Okay, fine. Just you can now unmute yourself. So Krishna, sir. We are Vamshi Krishna, sir.
I will share my portfolio link in your personal message. I will ping you my portfolio link.
And now it's something like everyone. I'm going to create a task in that machine learning and artificial intelligence classroom. You have to upload your portfolios in that. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yes, Vamshi, sir, you can continue.
Yes.
I have created my website using Google Site.
Not an issue. Almost 50 to 60% have done that thing only. Not an issue.
This is my career objective.
Seeking a role which allows to continue learning and perfection skills and go on.
This is related to my education, my sports and CGP.
My resume website.
This is related to my technical skills. And I have done 2 projects. One is related to recognizing the face application, and another one is a game using hands. We can find that is it a rock or paper or scissor.
Using
so that
hands?
we can play virtual. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Visual recognition. From here, you can connect me. And you can see my certificates there. And coming to competitive exams, I cracked GATE in EC.
In this year?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Tuhin sir. Yeah, thank you, Vamshi sir.
सर आई वांट टू शो यू वन थिंग दैट आई हैव चेंज माय सीवी एक्चुअली सर अपने कुछ दिन पहले सर हम सबके लिए सब लोगों से सर सीवी मांग रहे थे सर एक्चुअली तो सर आपको जो मैं सीवी दिया करके मतलब वो मैं सर अभी यहाँ पर अपलोड कर चुका हूँ सर अगर आप थोड़ा देख लेंगे तो अच्छा होगा
क्या मतलब मैं समझा नहीं
सर मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ सर
हाँ हाँ ठीक कर दीजिए।
सर एक्चुअली अबाउट मी में मेरा जो सीवी आपने कुछ देर पहले देखा सर, एक्चुअली कुछ दिन पहले सर अपने हम लोगों से सर सीवी मांग रहे थे, तो सर उस
हाँ।
समय पे मैं आपको जो सीवी दिया था सर वही सीवी मैं यहाँ पर अटैच कर चुका हूँ सर अभी।
हाँ ओके, एजुकेशन, टेक्निकल स्किल्स, कोर्स कंप्लीटेड, एंड टू एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स। मैंने हाँ ये प्रोजेक्ट्स का ही ये सब है ना, तो मैंने इतना ही कहा कि जो जरूरत वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स होना सिर्फ वही रखना है यहाँ पर,
अच्छा
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
हाँ वो उस उतना ही रखना, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं। ये कैट वर्सेस डॉग क्लासिफिकेशन, रॉक पेपर वगैरह तो
हाँ सर
ये तो
वो
आपको भी
बहुत,
पता नहीं,
हाँ
तो
सर
बहुत ही छोटे छोटे
बहुत
एग्जाम्पल्स
ही
है।
इजी सर। हाँ सर
हाँ तो इसलिए उसको मतलब ऐसे सब चीजों को हटा देना और कुछ नहीं।
ओके ठीक है।
Okay, thank you. Yeah, now one more important thing that I am going to share with you, that regarding to tomorrow's session and all, fine. Like it's something like tomorrow we'll have 2 sessions of meetings, in the morning and in the evening. Fine. You have to submit your whole work, like in this session only, in the meeting only, you have to submit your task. That means whatever you have done in these 3 days regarding NumPy, regex, and matplotlib and those pandas and all, whatever the things you have done, just you have to show me in the meeting only. I'll ask you a few questions regarding that, and something it's regarding like submission and review only. So it's something like we got in 32 members of team, so it's not going to happen in 1 hour. It's like something impossible to conduct each and everyone submission and review. So we'll have 2 sessions. I'm just saying a few names so that you can be there in tomorrow's meeting and all. I'll just speaking out the names. Fine. Okay. So tomorrow in the morning at 10 o'clock. I'm just speaking out the names. Just be here only. Fine. First name is Ayushi ma'am, Akansha ma'am, Amit sir, Aniket sir, Anshul sir, Shekhar sir, Hemant sir, Bhargav Sai sir, Kshitij sir, Payal ma'am, Pragya ma'am, Salman sir, Trinath sir, Tuhin sir, Aniket sir, Vamshi sir, and Vinay sir. Fine. So these are the members. I'll share the link too in the classroom only, but it's something that you should be aware of these things. Fine. These are a team A batch. That means you will have your submission and review session tomorrow at 10 a.m. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, the team B, it's like regarding Aishwarya ma'am, Anjali ma'am, Bharat sir, Asmita ma'am, Nandini ma'am and Nandita ma'am, Anudeep sir, and Ushashri ma'am, Vikita ma'am, Nageshwari ma'am, Manikanta sir, Anudeep sir, Sai Vignesh sir, Harshita ma'am, Lahari ma'am, Preeti ma'am, Mansa ma'am, and Vamshi sir. Fine, this will be a team B. That means you will have the session at 5 to 6 only, where you will have your submission and review. Like we got 35 members in our team. The first team consists of 17 members and the next team consists of 18 members. Fine. So we'll have your submission and review with that.
So I'm in team A or team B?
You are
Vamshi.
like Vamshi Juluri is in team B, while Vamshi Krishna sir is in team A.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Aniket sir.
Sir, tomorrow I'm having my internal exam, so I will be not able to attend the session. Can you
at which time? At which time?
Can you keep my session evening?
You are there in the first.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, not an issue. If you are okay with in the evening session, you can have that.
Yeah, I'm okay in the evening. You can put it.
Okay, fine. You will have that 5 to 6.
Exam.
Huh?
Sir, I too have exam sir tomorrow morning.
अच्छा, तो ठीक है, आप भी फिर शाम को ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, है ना?
हाँ, okay sir.
Okay, fine. Then yeah, next something is that from 4:45 to 5, you will have a small test regarding this week. Fine. Just be in your classroom only. I'll just avail the test at at 4:45. The quiz or the whatever the test, it will be live in classroom only at 4:45. Fine. So be ready at that time.
On Google Classroom?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, on Google Classroom only.
Okay.
ओके प्रज्ञा मैम, आपने कहा इवनिंग क्लास है। प्रज्ञा मैम, आपका तो सुबह ही सबमिशन रहेगा, 10 बजे में ही आपका सेशन रहेगा। मैं वापस ये शीट आपको भेज दूंगा टीम वाली, उस हिसाब से आपको फिर मीटिंग में कंडक्ट कर लेना है, ठीक। अनिकेत सर एंड लाइक भार्गव सर, उन्होंने कहा कि उनका शाम को होगा।
Sir,
एक्सेप्ट देम।
another Aniket also is in our college only.
Like his name is Aniket Meshram, I guess.
Aniket Meshram, yeah.
Yeah, both of them. Okay, so both of you are in same college. Okay, fine. Then you can have that in evening session only.
Three of us are in same college, sir, so we can't.
Sorry.
We three of us in same college, sir. That's why.
अच्छा, ओके, तीनों एक ही साथ हो।
Yeah.
ओके, कोई नहीं, तो तुम तीनों का शाम को ले लूंगा मैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, fine. But yeah, at 4:45, please be ready at classroom only. ठीक, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ 10 मार्क का ही स्मॉल टेस्ट होगा। फाइन, 10 मार्क्स स्मॉल टेस्ट एंड देन we'll again start the submissions and review. Fine. Okay, fine. So if you have any queries or any doubts, you can stay here. And yeah, one more thing, I will just upload the task of this portfolio. Everyone just please submit your portfolios and all. Fine. And like I told Aishwarya ma'am and all those things, that whoever not shown today, just submit that in next 3 days. Okay, now any questions, any queries?
Yes, sir. I have one question regarding the NumPy class.
Okay, fine. Yeah, एक मिनट, जिसको like if no one has doubt, you can remove, like Tuhin sir has doubt. Otherwise, everyone, like if you don't have any doubts, you can move now. दिव्यांशी मैम, आप रिकॉर्डिंग भी स्टॉप कर सकते हो।
Can you repeat?
मैम हो चुकी है मीटिंग, अब सिर्फ डाउट का